Students are demanding your demand some question you have given to solve. Okay. Question given 21 number from the book Trigonometry chapter exercise 19. As for your demand, you have given to solve the question number 21. See, question is very, it is given sin theta value given 4/5. Sin theta value given 4/5. You have to find value of sin theta plus cos theta plus tan theta. Okay. As you know, sin theta is a ratio of two sides. What is two sides? You know sin theta is what? Sin theta, that is the 4/5 is given in the question. As you know, sin theta formula is what? P/H. P means perpendicular by hypotenuse. For your clarification, you have to draw one right hand triangle. This angle be theta. Base, adjacent side. Angle front side is perpendicular, means opposite side, and 90 degree front side is hypotenuse. Therefore, P will be how much? P will be 4 unit, and H will be 5 unit. Now, using Pythagoras theorem, H will be how much? H square equal to how much? You know, P square plus B square. Using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Using Pythagoras theorem, H already you got 5. You have 5 whole square. P given 4 whole square. B not given. B you have to find out. This will be 25 minus 16 is equal to B square. So finally B will be how much? B means base. B will be 25 minus 16, 9. 9 root of is how much? 3. B you got. After finding the value of B, then you can easily find all the things. Okay. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta plus tan theta. Sin theta is already given, nothing to find. Sin theta means what? 4/5. Right here 4/5. Cos theta formula is, you know, cos theta formula is what? B/H. Cos theta formula B/H, base by hypotenuse. And tan theta formula is P/B. Okay. Now put here, just putting the value. Cos theta is B/H. B means here 3/5. And tan theta formula is P/B. P means here 4. P/B. B is equal to how much? 3. 4/3. Now take the LCM of 5, 5, 3. This will be 15. LCM 15. 15 divided by 5, 3. 3, 4 are 12. Here also same thing. 3, 3 are 9. Plus 5, 4 are 20. How much you are getting? 12 plus 9, 21 plus 20. 41/15. This is the answer of number 21. As for your demand, I am solving the question number 21 from the book exercise 19, Trigonometry chapter. The book name is Innovative Math Books. I hope you are able to understand the process. Okay. First of all, you have to draw one right hand triangle containing one 90 degree and angle theta. Theta ka angle front side will be perpendicular. The adjacent side is base. 90 degree front side is hypotenuse. As you know, sin theta formula is P/H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Putting all these things, you are getting base. Base I got how much? 3. Now put the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, then you will get the result 41/50. This is the number 20. Let's look at the next number. See, as for your demand, 24 number. Okay. क्वेश्चन गिवन tan थीटा का वैल्यू तुमको दिया है 3/4. तुमको फाइंड करना है द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 sin थीटा माइनस cos थीटा बाय 2 sin थीटा प्लस cos थीटा का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? सी, tan थीटा, you know what is tan थीटा? Tan theta formula is what? Sin theta by cos theta. From quotient relation, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. See how quickly you can solve it. Just to see here. Now, just copy 2 sin theta minus cos theta divided by 2 sin theta plus cos theta. Do one thing here. Dividing cos theta both numerator as well as denominator. If I divide cos theta both numerator by denominator, what I will get here? If I divide cos theta, this will be tan theta. Why? Because sin by cos means what? Tan theta. Minus cos theta by cos theta will be how much? 1. And here also same thing, divide cos theta, denominator 2 sin theta by cos theta means 2 tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1. You have to write here dividing cos theta both numerator as well as denominator. Now put the value of tan theta. What is tan theta? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay? Minus 1. Now here same thing. This will be 2 whole into 3 by 4 plus 1. Now tell me 2 cancel means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. And here also same thing. 3 by 2 plus 1. Just to add here both, how much will get? 3 minus 2, 1 by 2, and here 5 by 2. So finally you get 2 cancel, answer will be 1 by 5. So this is a quick method by solving this sum. Though it is looking difficult, tan theta value तुमको दिया है 3 by 4. Okay. As you know, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is quotient relation. If you know this relation, it will more easier to find out the answer of this question. Okay. 2 sin theta minus cos theta by 2 sin theta plus cos theta. What I am doing here? Dividing cos theta both numerator as well as denominator. Why I am dividing? To get tan. Sin by cos tan, cos by cos 1, sin theta by cos theta means what? Tan theta. Why I am doing like this? Because tan theta value मुझे दिया है 3 by 4. इसलिए tan theta value directly I can put here 3 by 4. 2 cancel, 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. After simplification, I am getting 1 by 5. This is the answer of number 24 as per your demand. Next question. See, as per the student's demand, question given 5 sin theta is equal to 3. From here I can find the value of sin theta. Sin theta will be how much? 3 by 5. You know sin theta is how much? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Draw on right hand triangle. Therefore, P equal to how much? 3 unit. H equal to 5 unit. Okay. Therefore, B will be how much? As per the Pythagoras theorem already told, H square minus P square root over. What is H? 5 means 5 whole square minus 3 whole square root over. This is coming 25 minus 9 means 16 root over. How much you are getting? 4. Okay. You got this one. Now you have to find out the value of your cos theta and tan theta. Just you have to put here. Therefore, cos theta will be how much? Base by hypotenuse. B equal to how much here? 4. Hypotenuse 5. 4 by 5. And tan theta formula is P by B. What is your P? That is 3. And B equal to how much? That is 4. 3 by 4. Now, you have to find out the value of 5 sin theta. 5 sin theta minus 2 cos theta divided by tan theta. Okay. 5 sin theta is how much here? Sin theta is already given 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 2. Cos theta is how much? Cos theta is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 divided by tan theta is how much? 3 by 4. Now you simplify. See, it will be how much? 15 by 5, here 8 by 5. 15 minus 8 whole divided by 5. And here it is coming 3 by 4. 15 minus 5 is how? 7. 7 by 5 into this will be reverse 4 by 3. How much it will be? Answer will be 28 by 15. 28 by 15. This is the answer of number 30. As for your demand, you have told to solve the question number 30 from exercise 19. Given 5 sin theta is equal to 3. From here I will get sin theta is equal to 5 divided 3 by 5. Sin theta formula is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse as for the right angle triangle. P here 3, H equal to 5. The B will be how much? Using Pythagoras theorem, H square minus P square. Using that formula I am getting 4. Now put the value of cos theta, that is B by H. Tan theta, P by B. Now all the values of cos theta, tan theta and sin theta, put this equation. Then you will get the final result, that is 28 by 2. Let us go next number. See, question number 34. A figure दिया है तुमको. Figure given A, B, C is a right angle triangle. This angle is X, this angle is Y, this is 6 given and this one is 8 given. This is given 17. You have to find out the value of sin square x. x term पर इधर है sin square x plus cos square y. This is the angle y, cos square y plus tan square x. This तीनों का addition you have to find out the value of cos sin square x plus cos square y plus tan square x का value find करना चाहिए. देखो पहले in the triangle ACD, in the triangle ACD, the triangle ACD तुमको क्या फाइंड करना है? AD. By using Pythagoras theorem, AD will be how much? 8 whole square plus 6 whole square root over equal to how much? 64 plus 36 means 100. 100 root over is how much? 10. Next you have to find out BC in the triangle. See, in the triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, BC equal to how much? Just follow. In the triangle ABC, big triangle, that will be 17 whole square minus 8 whole square. 17 whole square how much? 289 minus 64 root over. This is coming 225 root over will be how much? 15. Okay. Now sin square x. Sin square x will be how much? Sin square x means sin x formula is what? P by h. You have to take in the triangle ABC triangle. Means P means what? It will be 8 by 17 whole square. P by h whole square. 64 by 289. Same process cos square y. Cos square y. Which triangle I have to take? Y means here the triangle ACD triangle. Cos means B by h. B means what? 6 by h. H means here how much I got? AD I got 10. This I got 10. Okay. That means 6 by 10 whole square. This will be how much? 6 by 10 means what? That is 36 by 100. Okay. 36 by 100 means this will be 0.36. Next you have to find out tan square x. Tan square x means what? Tan x. How much? P by B. For big triangle, P means 8 by BC. How much you got BC? 15. 8 by 15. You have to see which triangle consider. Means x means you have to consider big triangle. ACB triangle. Okay. 8 whole square how much? 64. 15 whole square 225. Okay. Now both you have to add sin square x plus cos square y plus tan square x. If you add all, what I will get? Sin square x plus cos square y plus tan square x. Okay. Sin square x equal to how much? 64 by 289. 64 by 289. This will be, if you divide, this will be 0.22. Okay. And this cos square y plus tan square x, so both will give you 0.64. If you write 0.64, finally we are getting 0.86. This is the answer of number 6. See, all are converted decimal form. 64 by 225 plus this one, if you add after making decimal, this will be 0.64. Okay. Now we add all the things. 0.22 plus 0.6, how much will be 0.8? This is the answer of question number 34. Let us go next number. Hello everybody. This is the last number of this exercise 19. Okay. And this is the last question I am doing, number 36. If the figure given A, B, C is a isosceles triangle as per the figure, because AB is equal to B, AC is equal to B. Both the sides are equal. And base given A. As it is isosceles triangle, if I draw perpendicular, that will bisect. That will bisect the base. Therefore, this total A is divided A by 2. This will be A by 2. You have to find out sin B value, and sin B means this angle. Sin B and sin BAD, this angle. Sin of this angle. For this reason, you have to find out value of AD. Now, just to see how to find out AD. ABD is right in the triangle right here. In the triangle ABD. In the triangle ABD, how to find out AD? AD means this is perpendicular. AD is equal to, that is B whole square. From the figure, this is hypotenuse B whole square minus A by 2 whole square root over. B whole square is how much? B square minus A square by 4. Okay. Then finally you get root over sign you get. This is how much? 4B square by A square by 4 root over. This will be how much? 4B square by A square root over. And downside A square root over is how much? 4 root over is how much? 2. Keep it like this. You got AD. Now you have to find out sin B. Therefore, first one is what? Sin B. Sin of B angle, sin of B will be how much? P by H, as per the formula, P by H. For this angle, what is the B? What is P, what is B and what is H? Angle front side is P, perpendicular, that is AD. AD is how much you got? That is 4B square minus A square root over by A. By 2. Divide by H. H is how much? H means here, angle 90 degree front side, that is B. So finally you are getting 4B square minus A square root over by 2 will come here, this will be 2B. This is the answer of sin B. Next question is, second part, that is sin of BAD. Sin of angle BAD. If I take this angle, as for the sin formula is P by H, same formula, P by H. Now in this angle, for this angle, P will be how much? For angle front side, that is BD by H. H means 90 degree front side, that is B, means AB. BD is how much? A by 2. And what is your AB? That is B. That will finally A by 2B. This is the answer of second part of number 36. Sin of angle BAD, that is A by 2B. And sin B, how much you got? Sin B equal to 4B square minus A square by 2B. Okay, as for your demand, today I have completed few sums from the remaining part of the exercise and try to complete the whole exercise of your own. How much left? This was today. Next we will continue the next chapter. This chapter completed exercise 19. Exercise 19 plus chapter number 19, trigonometry ratio, completed today. Okay, thank you for today.